Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zapier for reminders to follow up on LinkedIn messages step by step clearly. Visit the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up. Fill in the required details to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn from the list of available apps. Choose the trigger event that suits your needs. Connect your LinkedIn account by following the prompts to authorize access. After connecting, test the trigger to ensure it's working properly. Next, search for email in the app options. Select Send Email as the action for your Zap. Connect your email account following the authorization process. In the action setup, customize the email template for your reminders. You can include details like the recipient, subject, and body of the email. Specify when you want the reminder to be sent. Review your Zap settings for accuracy. Click Test and Continue to check that everything works. Once tested successfully, give your Zap a name. Finally, toggle the Zap from off to on to activate it. Now you're set up to receive reminders for following up on your LinkedIn messages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.